Land for sale by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. Located in southern Paros, in the area of Tripiti. A plot of land with a total surface of 20,000 square meters with a building capacity of 280 square meters. It is ideally located for photovoltaic installation and agricultural activities. Southern orientation with partial sea view. Electricity is available nearby. Access by dirt road. 19 kilometers from the port of Parikia. 11 kilometers from the airport. 1.6 kilometers from the sea.